Day 181 with Crumpet. He was very interested in my laces.
Do you know how to do shoelaces?
Let's go.
Then it was time to continue with a nice run before getting to his favourite place on the walk where he could chase all of the dried out leaves. Here's some nice slow-mo Crumpet for you. He was then a bit energetic after he got home and ripped Capybara in multiple places, so he's in need of surgery. Then it was time for his snuffle rug, which is getting fewer of those pink bits by day, before a nice snug on the ground here. And then we discovered a really big crater in our garden.
What did you do?
That is the first time he's dug like that, and he's looking pretty guilty.